Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now by securing your account. Link your mobile legends to Facebook, Google, or Mountain ID so progress is safe. Once linked, go to Settings Apps Mobile Legends Storage and Clear Cache. This removes temporary files quickly. While that runs, remove unused apps and move large media to cloud or an SD card to free 500 plus MB instantly. Make sure to avoid uninstalling app data. Clearing cache is safe and reversible, so you can proceed to the next step. Once done with device cleanup, open Mobile Legends and head straight to Settings Other Clean Cache or Delete Replays. This frees hundreds of megabytes of matched data. Next, check the in-game storage or resource manager and remove unused skins, emotes, or voice packs you rarely use. If the game offers resource options, choose Basic or Partial Pack to keep only essential files. This reduces download size and speeds up updates. Make sure to restart the app after changes, so the game recognizes the new storage state. To finish, consider an uninstall and reinstall only if your account is linked. During reinstall, choose the minimal resource option to avoid large downloads. Alternatively, use Android Files or iOS Offload app to remove residual game files without losing settings. Once done, restart your device to clear any held locks and confirm Mobile Legends has permission to use storage. If anything goes wrong, relink your account, clear cache again, and check storage permissions. These steps resolve most issues quickly so you can get back to playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.